and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make buttermilk biscuits. And it first starts out with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now when you're measuring your cups of flour, you want to make sure that everything is level. So when you get your cup of flour, you want to drag your knife across the top just to make sure it's an even cup. So here we have 2 cups of flour. Next, you want to mix in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 1/4 of kosher salt. And you want to mix that in. Next, you want to shred up 1/2 a stick of butter. And you want to make sure you're working with cold butter. So you want to take your grater and you want to shred that butter up into your mixture. Now that we have that butter shredded up, you want to mix this up throughout your flour. Now when you do this, this is going to make little pockets of butter throughout your biscuits. That's going to keep them nice and tender and buttery. Now that that's mixed up, you want to take 1 cup of buttermilk and pour that in. Now you want to mix this in until it's just mixed up. Now that this is coming together, you want to pour it out on your table. Now you want to bring this dough together like so. Once your dough is kind of together like this, you want to fold it like that and give it a pat. Then once you fold it that way, you want to fold it again. And when you're folding this dough like this is making layers. So when you make your biscuits, you're going to have layers in your biscuits. So you want to pat that out like that. And you want to fold it again. And you want to do this about 6 or 7 times. Alright. Now you want to take your dough and flatten it out to around 1/2 inch. You can go 1 inch or 1/2 inch. I'm going to flatten this out to about 1 inch. And if you don't have a biscuit cutter, that's okay. All you have to do is take a glass like this and use a glass. And that'll work. And you see these are about 1 inch thick. So you just want to keep doing that until you run out of dough. So this will make up our last one. So I'm just kind of kind of form it. And that will be our last one. You want to take your biscuits and put them on a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper. Now that you have your biscuits on your parchment paper, you just want to brush some butter on top of all of your biscuits. Now you want to bake these in the oven on 450 for 15 to 18 minutes or until they turn golden brown. Alright guys, so our biscuits are all ready. They cook for about 18 minutes. I just took them out and put them on this plate. So now what you want to do is take some melted butter and just wipe it across the top of your biscuits. Like this. I'm just going to take one and open it up so you guys can see how light and fluffy that biscuit is. See that? Just like that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to drop a like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.